right, let me touch briefly about this plant that's in this big pot right here. These little plants in that pot are Comfrey. Comfrey is a plant that is grown for medicinal uses, mostly external uses. There are some people that use Comfrey and they drink it as a tea in order to get nutrients from it, but that's not generally recommended, okay? The primary use of the Comfrey is in medicinal for wound healing and for bruising. Comfrey is also a dynamic accumulator, and that means that it's a plant that goes down to the ground real deep with its roots, and it grabs minerals, brings them back up into the leaves, chop it up, and you can spread those around and take care of your plants to get them looking really, really good. Right here's a Comfrey that I planted about 4 or 5 months ago, and you can see that it's doing well, and it's in a bit of a shade, and it's in front of this lady palm, and it's just doing terrific. It's right there. And I took some roots that someone sent me. I ordered some roots of Comfrey, and what you do is you get your little piece of root and you just plant it, keep it moist, and it took about 30 days. Sometimes it takes much longer. I don't know, I guess I'm lucky. Everybody says it takes months. But I put it in here, and in 30 days I had 3 of them pop up, and there's about another dozen in there around this container, and those are taking longer. But they're gonna pop up too, and I have lots and lots of Comfrey. And then I plan on taking this whole area back here and spreading Comfrey plants everywhere. And then I'm gonna leave them alone for about a year, and then next year I'll be ready to start chopping them up and using them, because I want them to get a good foothold. Comfrey is one of those plants that when you plant it, you may have more than you can chew, okay? More plant than you wanna have. So pick an area, and whatever you do, don't start digging it up, because the more you dig it, the more you spread it. So one thought, maybe grow it in a container, but that doesn't really make a lot of sense, because if you're trying to pull nutrients out of the soil, you want it in the soil.